Hi friends, now we are going to see a problem based on diffusion equation. Problem was solve one-dimensional diffusion equation dou square u by dou x square is equal to 1 by k into dou u by dou t in 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2 pi subject to boundary conditions u of 0 comma t equal to 0, u of 2 pi comma t equal to 0, both are equal to 0 for t greater than or equal to 0. Also given that u of x comma 0 is equal to sin cube x. Solution, write the given is the diffusion equation dou square u by dou x square is equal to 1 by k into dou u by dou t. Let it be equation number 1. This u is the function of both x and t, so it can be written as u of x comma t is equal to x of x into t of t. We need dou square u by dou x square and dou u by dou t. So differentiating this with respect to x 2 times, so dou square u by dou x square is equal to x double dash of x into t of t, and differentiating this with respect to t one time we get dou u by dou t is equal to x of x into t dash of t. Apply these two values in equation number 1. We get x double dash of x into t of t. Dou square u by dou x square value in the equation 1. So x double dash of x into t of t is equal to 1 by k into dou u by dou t value x of x into t dash of t. Now I am going to divide this whole equation by x of x into t of t. So x double dash of x into t of t divided by x of x into t of t is equal to x of x into t dash of t divided by k into x of x into t of t. Here t of t and t of t get cancelled. X of x get cancelled. Remaining will be x double dash divided by x is equal to t dash by k into t. From this step we will equate this to a negative of constant square. Equate this term to the constant. We get x double dash by x is equal to minus lambda square. From this x double dash is equal to minus x lambda square. To obtain the roots I am going to substitute m. So m square is equal to minus lambda square. From this m is equal to square root of minus lambda square. We know square root of negative will be our I. So m is equal to plus or minus I lambda. This is of the form alpha plus I beta, right? For this alpha plus I beta solution, we have the complementary function that e power alpha into a cos beta x plus b sin beta x. Here my alpha will be 0. So e power 0 into a cos lambda x plus b sin beta x. Beta is lambda. So lambda x, which is equal to e power 0 is 1. We will get a cos lambda x plus b sin lambda x. Next, equate t dash divided by kt equal to minus lambda square. Then take this term to the right hand side. We get t dash is equal to minus kt lambda square. Then t dash is nothing but dt divided by dt is equal to minus kt lambda square. To simplify, I am going to take this t into left side and dt to the right side. I get dt divided by t is equal to minus k lambda square into dt. Then to obtain the value of t, I am going to integrate. So integral dt by t is equal to integral of the same term. Integral of dt by t is log t is equal to minus k lambda square into integral dt will be t. Minus k lambda square is constant. We need only t. So taking exponential on both sides, log and exponential get cancelled. T is equal to e power minus k lambda square t. Here we got x of x, here we got t of t. Apply this x of x and t of t in in this equation. Dou square u by dou x square equal to x of x into t of t. We get u of x comma t is equal to a cos lambda x plus b sin lambda x into e power minus k lambda square t. That is, we know that u of x comma t is x of x into t of t. I substituted these two values here. Then given that u of 0 comma t equal to 0, this is given in the boundary condition. So we are going to apply this condition here in this equation. So u of 0 comma t is equal to a cos lambda x is 0. A cos 0 plus b sin lambda x is 0. So b sin 0 into e power remaining same. e power minus k lambda square into t equal to 0. We know that this cos 0 is 1, sin 0 0. So a into 1 a into this is 0, remaining e power minus k lambda square into t. This is equal to 0. This term cannot be equal to 0. Only possibility is a equal to 0, right? So apply this a value in u of x comma t. We get u of x comma t is equal to a will be 0. So this term will become 0. So remaining will be b sin lambda x into e power minus k lambda square t. Next apply the second boundary condition. U of 2 pi comma t equal to 0. This is given in the problem. So u of 2 pi comma t. U of 2 pi comma t. For x we are substituting 2 pi. So a cos lambda into 2 pi. For x we are applying 2 pi. B sin lambda into 2 pi into e power minus k lambda square into t equal to 0. In this we know that cos 2 pi will be, this term will be 0. Remaining b sin lambda 2 pi into e power minus k lambda square into t equal to 0. We know that this b cannot be equal to 0. Also this e power minus k lambda square into t not equal to 0. Only possibility is sin 2 lambda pi equal to 0. We know that sin n pi equal to 0. From this equate these two. So sin 2 lambda pi is equal to sin n pi. We can cancel this sign. So 2 lambda pi is equal to n pi. Pi get cancelled. 2 lambda. 2 lambda is equal to n. From this lambda is equal to n by 2. Apply this lambda in this equation. So u of x comma t is equal to b sin lambda is n by 2. So b sin n into x by 2 into e power minus k into lambda square. Lambda square will be n square by 4. So n square into t divided by 4. Then we know that u of x comma t is equal to summation un of x comma t. So this ux comma t can be written as summation un of x comma t. So u of x comma t is equal to summation n varies from 0 to infinity bn sin nx by 2 e power minus kn square t divided by 4. Only I have substituted u of x comma t is equal to summation un x comma t. That's all. Also the third boundary condition is given as u of x comma 0 is equal to sin cube x, right? So u of x comma 0 in this last obtained u of x comma t we are going to apply. So u of x comma 0 is equal to summation n varies from 0 to infinity bn sin nx by 2 into e power, this t will be 0, x comma t. Here t value is 0. So applying t, this total term become 0. E power 0 is 1. So remaining term will be summation n equal to 0 to infinity bn sin nx by 2, which is equal to sin cube x. That is u of x comma 0 is given as sin cube x. So I have equated it to sin cube x. Then expanding this summation n is equal to from 1. Okay. So first term b1 sin n will be 1. So 1 into x by 2. Plus second n is equal to 2. So b2 sin 2x by 2. 2 get cancelled, only sin x. So b2 sin x plus n is equal to 3. So b3 sin 3 into x, 3x by 2. b3 sin 3x by 2 plus applying 4. b4 sin 4x by 2. 4 and 2 cancel outing, we get 2x, right? So b4 sin 2x. Plus next term will be n is equal to 5. So b5 sin 5 into x, 5x divided by 2 plus b6 n is equal to 6. So b6 sin 6x by 2. 6 2 get cancelled, we get remaining term sin 3x, b6 sin 3x, which is equal to, we know sin cube x. Sin cube x is equal to 1 by 4 into 3 sin x minus sin 3x, right? Applying this here. So 1 by 4 into 3 sin x minus sin 3x. Equate the same terms. We get b1 is equal to 0, b2 is equal to 3 by 4, b3 equal to 0, b4 equal to 0, b5 equal to 0, b6 is equal to minus 1 by 4. only we get two values because sin x and sin 3x is in the right hand side. So this sin x and sin x will be equated sin 3x. So sin 3x equated. We only get the values for b2 and b6. Apply those values in u of x comma t in this equation. We will get u of x comma t is equal to expanding this summation n is equal to 1 to infinity b1 sin x by 2 e power minus k n square t by 4. In this n square will be 1, so minus kt by 4 b1 sin x by 2 e power minus kt by 4 plus same for the remaining terms. In this b1 is equal to 0, b2 is 3 by 4, so 3 by 4 into sin x into e power minus kt, this term will be written here, plus b3 is 0, b4 is 0, b5 also 0, b6 value we got minus 1 by 4, so minus 1 by 4 into sin 3x e power minus k 90. Here n value 6, right? E power minus k into n square t by 4. Here n is equal to 6. So e power minus k into 36 into t divided by 4. Cancelling out this, we get e power minus 9k t. So this term only we get at the last. U of x comma t is equal to, taking 4 outside in common, 1 by 4 into 3 sin x e power minus kt minus sin 3x e power minus 9kt. That's all. മനസ്സിലായിട്ടുണ്ടാവുമെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കണം, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ചോദിക്കും പറഞ്ഞുതരാം.